Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today we have UU248, and what this is a 2001 Chevrolet Express 3500 series with a 5.7 liter engine and automatic transmission. This unit has 126,399 miles on it. This video is just going to be a component test for now. I cannot run the vehicle. It has a transmission leak to it. One of the lines on the outside cooler is leaking. We're going to fix that in the bay and go ahead and do another test of it running and the transmission engaging and all that good stuff. So for now, this is just going to be a component test, show you that things on the inside work. I will take you a walk on the outside too, just kind of show you everything that's going on there. So let's go ahead and start with the heater AC control. Sounds like that selects just fine. Goes on and off. Then we'll get the radio going. That sounds like it finds the stations really well. Manual windows, manual doors, so don't really have much there. We do have cabinetry in the back here, which we do advertise separately. If anybody has a work style van and they need cabinetry, we do have that in here also. Now we're going to go ahead and walk around the outside. Like I said, it's not going to be a start video for you, but it is going to show you what's going on the outside of the vehicle. Go ahead. This is where the accident was. It was just low enough to catch that trans line, so when we initially started it to get it moved where it is, we saw that it was leaking. We cleaned up the mess and turned it off, and we're not going to mess with it again until we get it in the bay, just because we do not want to leave contaminants on the ground or damage any of the parts, you know, as far as the transmission or engine or anything like that. We do not want to damage anything. So it's got your barn door styles in the back with the windows. Both of those look really good. It's just got a solid quarter coming all the way up. So that's UU248 at Lews Auto. You guys have any questions, please call my staff. Look for the second video for this one. It's going to be the run test and everything. You guys will see that up there also as soon as we get in the bay to strip it. All right, thank you and God bless.